Good day everyone, this is Jay. I'm here with our Reina Hispano-Americana Filipinas sa 2024 na si Dia Matei. Hi Dia!
Hi!
First, of course, greet our fans and supporters.
Hi everyone, this is Dia Matei, Reina Hispano-Americana Filipinas.
Okay, we have just finished your send-off press conference. How was it so far?
It was amazing. I felt the support of my team, my family, my friends, the other ALV or queens, and of course the media.
And Reina Hispano-Americana is fast approaching. How excited are you for this competition?
Very. I am so excited to step foot into Bolivia and start the competition.
And talking to your preparation, how was it so far and how will you rate it from 1 to 10?
I would give it a 10 out of 10 for sure. I had ample time to prepare. I had 6 months. I took some beginner Spanish lessons. I was able to get mentally and physically prepared. Also, I got my mental health in check. Q&A is on point, passerelle is on point, and all of my gowns and my costumes are so beautiful, and I'm so excited to wear them on the international stage.
And we all know that there's a lot of activities also here at
Yes.
Reina Hispano-Americana. So, what's your favorite part of this competition?
Honestly, I'm so excited for the coronation night. Hopefully, we're going to win the crown. I am manifesting that we are going to win the crown and we're going to have the second red crown for the Philippines. So that is what I'm most excited for. But other than that, it's the national costume competition.
And who is Dia Matei? On and off cam.
On and off cam, on cam, I'm a beauty queen. I am a singer. I am a pop girl. But off cam, I am a family woman. I love spending time with my family and my friends, and really taking care of myself as well.
Complete the sentence. Dia Matei is...
Maganda. Ganda-gandahan ang puhunan.
Ayun.
Sorry, I had to put that in there.
Alright, and your message to your fans and supporters and as well as to your family.
To all of my fans and supporters, and as well to my family, thank you so much for being with me throughout my whole pageant journey and being with me throughout my whole music journey as well. I really wouldn't be here without you.
And promote your social media platforms and the online voting of Reina.
You can follow me at Dia X Mate on all of my platforms, and follow Reina Hispano-Americana page on Instagram and Facebook for updates for voting. And when they announce for the voting, please vote Philippines so that we can get the second red crown.
Thank you, Dia, and best of luck, dear. I know you can do it.
Yes. we can do it.
Laban!
Yes, laban tayo.
Thank
Balos.
you.
Ayan, picture mo na.